Artificial intelligence isn't just changing big companies, it's creating brand new ways for regular people to make extra income. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 AI-powered side hustles that are actually working for people right now in 2026. No coding degree required, no huge investment, just the right tools and a little effort. Let's get into it. Before we start, quick heads up. Results vary from person to person, and none of these are get-rich-overnight schemes. Think of these as real opportunities that reward consistency and effort, not shortcuts. All right, let's dive into the list. Number 1. AI-assisted content creation. Businesses need blog posts, social media captions, and video scripts constantly. With AI writing tools, you can help create that content faster, then offer your editing and strategy skills as a paid service. Many freelancers are now packaging this as AI-powered content services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Number 2. AI voiceover work. AI voice tools can generate realistic voiceovers for videos, ads, and audiobooks. Some creators specialize in prompting, editing, and syncing these voiceovers for clients who don't have the time to learn the tools themselves. It's a growing niche with surprisingly low competition right now. Number 3. Print-on-demand stores using AI-generated designs. AI image tools let you create unique artwork for t-shirts, mugs, and posters without needing design skills. You upload the designs to a print-on-demand platform, and they handle printing and shipping when someone orders. Your job is picking trends and creating designs people actually want. Number 4. Setting up AI chatbots for small businesses. A lot of local businesses want AI chatbots on their websites, but have no idea how to set one up. If you learn 1 or 2 chatbot platforms, you can offer setup and customization as a paid service. This is one of the highest paying options on this list because most small business owners will happily pay to save time. Number 5. AI-powered video editing. AI tools can now auto-generate captions, remove filler words, and even create short clips from long videos. If you offer this as a service to podcasters or YouTubers, you can turn hours of manual editing into a fast, efficient process. Number 6. Selling AI prompts. Believe it or not, well-crafted prompts for image and text generators are being sold as digital products. If you're good at getting specific, high-quality outputs from AI tools, you can package your best prompts and sell them as templates. Number 7. AI automation consulting. Businesses want to automate repetitive tasks like email responses, data entry, and scheduling. By learning simple automation tools that connect with AI, you can offer to build these systems for clients, often for a recurring monthly fee. So there you have it. 7 AI side hustles that are realistic starting points in 2026. The key isn't picking the perfect one. It's picking one, learning the basics, and actually starting. If this video gave you an idea worth trying, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. See you in the next video.